There is
This is
a
how magic.
movement today to try to find, from a certain group that is currently occupying the land of Palestine that are trying to find this information.
Yes.
Because when I was there in Quds, I met some rabbis that said, we're going to rebuild the Temple of Solomon. Because according to them,
No.
when the temple is built, the treasures and the tabut of Sulaiman alayhi salam that had the ability for them to control jinn and have magic will appear to them, and they're after this power to be able to control jinn.
True.